Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Tech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. The transition from traditional television sets to modern smart TVs has introduced advanced connectivity features, most notably the HDMI ARC, audio return channel. This technology revolutionizes home audio setups by replacing outdated optical cables and simplifying the connection between televisions and external sound systems. Key concept: what is HDMI ARC? HDMI ARC stands for Audio Return Channel. Unlike standard HDMI ports that only receive data, ARC allows for bidirectional audio flow. This means a single HDMI cable can send video to the TV while simultaneously returning audio from the TV's internal apps, like Netflix or YouTube, or tuner back to a soundbar or AV receiver. Main benefits: cable simplification. It eliminates the need for separate toslink, optical, or coaxial audio cables, significantly reducing clutter behind the entertainment center. High-fidelity audio. Supports high-resolution formats such as Dolby Atmos and DTS. Providing an immersive surround sound experience. Unified control. Through the HDMI-CEC protocol, ARC often allows users to control the volume of the soundbar or receiver using the original TV remote. How to identify and use it. Identification: look for a port labeled ARC or HDMI ARC on the back of your smart TV and sound system. Connection: use a high-speed HDMI cable to link the ARC-labeled ports on both devices. Compatibility: ensure both the TV and the audio output device support the ARC standard for seamless integration. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.